Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Rent Manager, a full property management solution designed to make landlords' life easier in 2025. If you're new to Rent Manager or property management software, this beginner-friendly guide will help you to get started smoothly. First, log into your Rent Manager account and check out the dashboard. It gives you a clear overview of your properties, tenants, leases, and financials all in one place. One of the best features is how you can easily add properties. Just enter the address, unit details, and lease info. Managing tenants is straightforward too. You can track lease terms, rent payments, and maintenance requests right from the platform. Rent Manager even allows the tenants to submit online rental application and pay rent securely through the tenant portal. When it comes to finances, Rent Management offers robust tools for invoicing, rent collection, and express tracking. You can generate detailed reports on cash flow, late payments, and occupancy rates to keep your business healthy. Maintenance requests are easy to manage as well. Assign tasks to vendors, track process, and communicate directly with tenants all within the system. Finally, don't forget to explore automation options like automatic rent reminders and late fee charges, which saves your time and reduces missed payments. So whether you manage a few units or a large portfolio, Rent Manager in 2025 is a powerful way to keep your properties organized and your tenants happy. Thanks for watching. If this helps you to get you started with the Rent Manager, be sure to like, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more property management tips and tutorials. Catch you in the next video.